Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Monster Peebo from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's draw the top of the head with a curve down. And then continue it by curving it down again. Now at the bottom, let's leave a gap and let's draw the first tooth by drawing an angled curve. And then a long V shape down and back up. Now in the gap on the left, let's add another tooth. Let's curve it in and bring it down and back up again. Now top to the right side and let's draw a small line over. Then another tooth like this. And again, another line over on the right. And then one last tooth, but angling it up like this. And then on the right side, a curve going up. And that's it for the top row of teeth. Now let's move down and draw the bottom row. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a V shape up and back down. And a curve underneath. Now let's curve it over on the right. Add another tooth, a curve again, a third tooth going up, another curve, and one last tooth like this. And now on the right side, let's draw a curve down to close off the mouth. Next, let's move inside and let's add the tongue. From the top in the middle, let's draw a curve down and over. Then let's continue by curving it back up behind the teeth. And that's it for the tongue. Now let's finish drawing the shape of the jaw. Let's start underneath the tooth on the left and let's draw a curve over to the right and up. Then for the end, let's curve it in and then bring it up. Now that we're done the mouth, let's hop up and add the eyes. Inside the head, on the right, let's draw a large oval. And then add another one inside on the bottom right. And color this one in black. Now for the other eye, let's hop over and let's draw a curve down on the left side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move up and let's start drawing the spikes on the body. Let's start from the top line and let's curve it down to the right. Now on top, let's curve it up and back around, forming a large curved V shape. Now let's add two more spikes on top of the head on the left. Let's start next to the first spike and let's curve it up and curve it back down. And then do one more next to it in the same way. Now let's hop over on the right side and let's add another longer spike. Let's start down below and add a curve. And then close off the top by curving it up, over to the right, and back down. Next, let's finish drawing the shape of the body. Let's start on top between the two spikes here, and let's continue the top of the body line by curving it over, and then continue it down on the right side. Now let's move down underneath the right side of the mouth, and let's draw a wavy line up, and then down. Now at the end here, let's add the first leg. Let's start with an angled line down. Now hop to the right side and continue this line by curving it down. Now for the foot, let's add a triangle shape on the left and on the right for the toenails. Now let's hop to the middle, and for this toenail, let's draw a curve and then a V shape underneath. and then close off the bottom of the foot with lines on both sides. And that's it for the first leg. Now let's move over and draw the one on the left side. Let's start on the left side of the head and let's draw a curve down and out. And then an angled line underneath, starting from the teeth. Now next to this line, let's draw the first toenail going down. Then bring it over on the left. Then another toenail going out to the left. And then one more behind it like this. And that's it for the front legs. Now let's draw the ones behind. Let's move back over to the right, and underneath the body here, let's draw a curve down and over. And then the same thing on the right. Lastly, let's add a few more spikes on top of the back. Between the two spikes, let's draw a curve up. And then draw 2 more spikes next to it on the right, like this. And that's it for Monster Peebo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!